What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to tackle why can a machine learn using machine learning techniques. So let's get to it. Now you see guys, this is obvious, right? The technical reason for a machine to be able to learn from its experiences in this field, machine learning, is because this field, machine learning, is actually a subset or variant of artificial intelligence. Therefore, this field allows for a machine to exhibit signs of intelligent behavior, because teaching is involved, okay? Learning or being able to identify patterns and trends is a form and sign of intelligent behavior. Now, what I'm saying is that we, human beings, have and display characteristics of intelligent behavior. Okay, well, most of us anyways, right? Now, the point is now, we're going to welcome a bit of philosophy now, right? You see, the magic of being human. What makes us human is our natural ability to learn from our mistakes, okay? Nature has wired our brains in a fascinating way. We are able to learn from each mistake that we make in life. We have the ability to see, learn, and grow. Our knowledge base keeps expanding as life goes on. We have the ability to differentiate right from wrong when faced with a logical or ethical situation. We have the ability to make assumptions. We have the ability to infer and deduce upon being presented with information. Now you see, the magic of human shared with machine. Machine learning serves as a field in which machines can be introduced to the ways of human life and are granted the gift of learning from their mistakes alongside other perks. Most individuals, when thrown the term machine learning, perceive the field to be one of solely making predictions for future scenarios. This is not entirely the case, as we will see in future posts and videos. Okay, at this point, however, let us focus on understanding how machine learning enables predictions to be made. You see, being human does not only mean making mistakes and learning to correct them in the near future. Sight, hearing, speech, any human-like quality in today's time can be integrated into a machine using the ways of machine learning and its associated disciplines. So guys, this is what we have for this video. I hope you guys find this interesting. We have spoken about why a machine can learn using machine learning techniques. Now, there's two sides to things here, right? There's the technical reason and the non-technical reason. Now, the non-technical reason has to do with how we human beings are trying to pass human-like qualities to a machine. And the technical reason as to why machines can learn is because a machine is learning using machine learning. And where there is teaching involved, we are teaching the machine, there has to be learning, and therefore learning is a sign of intelligent behavior. That explains why machines can learn using machine learning techniques. So, with that, thanks for watching guys, thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.